Traffic is stealing years of your life, literally hours every single week just sitting there, going nowhere. But what if the solution wasn't adding more lanes or building more bridges? What if the answer isn't above ground at all? Elon Musk thinks the solution is right under our feet. Let's face it, our cities are choking. We're running out of space. Every time a city tries to expand a road, it costs a fortune, takes forever, and just seems to create more traffic down the line. We call it induced demand. Public transport like trains and subways are incredibly expensive and disruptive to build. Meanwhile, every single year, the gridlock gets worse, your commute gets longer, and the air gets dirtier. The surface-level solutions we've been trying for decades just aren't cutting it anymore. It's a system that's fundamentally broken. So, what's the big idea? Imagine a 3D transportation network. Instead of just spreading out, we go down. Elon Musk's boring company has a vision to move massive amounts of traffic underground using a network of high-speed tunnels called loops. Think of it like this: instead of a tangled web of streets with intersections, red lights, and pedestrians, you have direct, point-to-point tunnels. You get in at your starting point and get out at your destination. No stops, no cross-traffic, and absolutely no congestion. It's a radical rethinking of how we move through our urban environments, taking inspiration from the efficiency of multi-layered circuit boards and applying it to cities. So how does this actually work? It's simpler and more elegant than you might think. You start at a surface-level station, which can be as small as a couple of parking spaces. Your vehicle, typically an electric Tesla, is lowered into the tunnel system. From there, it drives autonomously through a dedicated, single-lane tunnel. Because every vehicle is electric and computer-controlled, they can travel at high speeds safely, much closer together than human drivers ever could. Each tunnel acts like your own private underground highway, perfectly optimized for speed and efficiency. There are no traffic lights to wait for, no lanes to merge, just a smooth, continuous flow from point A to point B. It's clean, quiet, and incredibly fast. This isn't just a science fiction concept. It's already a reality. Look at Las Vegas. The Las Vegas Convention Center loop is up and running right now, connecting different halls of the massive complex. What used to be a sweaty 15 to 20-minute walk in the desert heat is now a journey that takes less than 2 minutes. The system has drastically cut travel time, all while producing zero emissions on site and taking traffic off the surrounding streets. It is a real-world proof of concept that shows this technology isn't just a drawing on a whiteboard, it works. And now, the city is expanding the Vegas loop to connect the entire resort corridor, from the airport to downtown. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Supporters claim this model is far cheaper and faster to build than traditional subways, making it scalable for cities all over the world. They see a future where a web of these tunnels eliminates traffic jams entirely. On the other hand, critics raise valid questions. Can these small tunnels really handle the capacity of a full-blown subway system? What about safety protocols and emergency evacuations in such a confined space? It's a huge debate, but one thing is undeniable: city planners and governments across the globe are watching Las Vegas very, very closely to see if this is the future or just a fascinating fantasy. So, the big question is, what do you think after seeing how it works? Would you trust these underground highways to be the final solution that replaces traffic forever? Let me know your thoughts. Drop AYES or nitrogen monoxide in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on more incredible future tech, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.